Hello guys, what's going on? My name is Rashka Deyr. So today I'm gonna share with you how to say thanks in African languages, which is spoken east part of Africa. So as we know, in East Africa there is a bunch of languages which is spoken right here. So we are gonna say thanks in 10 languages of among of them. So let's go. Number one is Amharic. How to say things? It's like I'm a saying hello. I'm a saying hello. I'm a saying hello. Number two is Somali. How to say thanks? It's like Mehatsanit. Mehatsanit. Number three, it is Afar language. Afaric language. It is Afaric language. They say like gather gay, gather gay. Kiswahili, they say like asante, asante, asante. Luganda, they say like wepale, wepale, wepale. In Kinyarwanda, they say like murakoze, murakoze, murakoze. Kirindu, they say like urakoze, urakoze, urakoze. Oromo, they say like galatomi, galatomi, galatomi. Integrania, they say like yekenyele, yekenyele, yekenyele. In Lingala, they say like potondi, potondi, potondi. In French, they say like merci, merci. In English, they say like thanks, thanks. In Arabic, they say like shukran, shukran, shukran. Thanks for watching, and I wish guys you will be connected right here in my channel in order to explore together other languages which is spoken right here in east part of Africa. Until we next video, see you again. Bye bye.